Alright, hey guys, it is the morning of our trip. And listen, I left the camera at home. Daddy had to go home and get the camera. I almost was not about to be able to vlog. But listen, I'm standing outside of the car right now. We're on our way to the airport. Okay, hold on. Recording. Say hey, Daddy.
Hey.
Daddy saved the day today because, like I was telling y'all, I left the camera at home. Hey, go to girls.
Hi! There go Lily and Rose.
All right, so we're on our way to the airport. Our time is tight, so we're about to get to the airport. This trip is happening today, people. So
Is mine in the car?
no, she's in the house. Wait, no, she in the car, I guess, the door closed. So we are on our way to the airport. So we're gonna talk to y'all when we get to the airport. So, Kristen, tell them bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. See you later.
All right, hey guys, we are at the airport. All right, so we're trying to figure everything out, the tickets and get our bags checked and stuff. So just want to check back in and let y'all know that we have made it to the airport. Is my mask upside down? Yes, my mask is upside down. But we're gonna talk to you guys when we get to Florida. Alright guys, we are off and rolling. We off and rolling. Alright, hey guys, we have made it to the hotel. Say hi.
Hi.
Well, we're at a resort. Let me not say hotel. So let us show you guys our room. Alright, so this is the room. It has 2 beds in there. Then there's a closet. You see we didn't already got comfortable. This is the sink. And it got a nice vanity light. So cute. Cheese. Alright, this is the bathroom. Just a regular bathroom, walk-in shower, nothing fancy. And then this, alright, this is the living room area. Okay, I'll get it up. And then this cute mirror to take pictures in. Alright guys, you can hear the girls. They are like super duper loud. And so far everything has been going good. Our flight actually came in. Hey, let me talk. Alright, so our flight came in a little bit early, so we arrived before schedule. Our only thing was it took forever for our luggage to come. So we waited for our luggage maybe about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We waited for luggage. We was able to get a taxi to get here. That was perfect. We got to the hotel. It was about 1:30, 2 o'clock. And let me find a good light. I'm sorry. All right, there's the light. It's better. And we were able to check in. Check-in wasn't until 4 o'clock, but we was able to check in when we got here, so that was like a plus. We have 2 rooms because it's a party of 9. It's us and my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, and my nephew. So we're here. I did not vlog until as soon as I got here because we had needed to eat. I didn't get any breakfast this morning or anything. Like, I've been like literally running off adrenaline, so I didn't eat anything today until we got here. So we went to like this nice little cafe and we had some just lunch food, burgers, salad, that type of stuff. So now we're about to change into our swim stuff and we're about to go swimming because they have closed the pool once since we've been here because it's been raining and the thunder. So we want to catch the pool today and maybe catch the pool tomorrow because we're in Florida. Even though we're here for Disney, we still want to swim and get the full benefits of this beautiful resort. But as you guys can hear, the girls are like super duper loud. Kristen do not have any clothes on, so I have not showed you guys the girls for real because she's walking around ready to get her swimsuit. So I'm gonna talk to y'all after we get dressed to go swimming. All right. How was that? Look at Aiden's face. Alright, hey guys.
Hey guys.
So it is the morning of our Disney Parks day. The first day, day one. Yesterday we did not vlog anymore because we just was chilling out at the hotel after we got off the pool.
Yeah.
So we just getting up this morning. We're about to have some breakfast and then get ready to go to the Disney parks this afternoon. Well, it's not even like super early in the morning. It's like 9, 10 o'clock. We really slept in. We were tired from yesterday. So we're going to get some breakfast and then we're going to get dressed and everything for our first day at Disney. So today we're going to do Magic Kingdom. And this is everybody's first time, including mine, to go to Disney. So I'm going to be a big kid today. And I want to see all the Disney princesses and
I'm going to see Belle.
And
that was on my socks.
Yeah, she had Belle socks. So kind of, are you excited?
Yes. And I'm going to see the fire.
Oh yeah, we want to try to stay for the fireworks show. Hold on, try to talk to them. Y'all hear the microwave going on?
Oh yeah, we're going to eat some oatmeal this morning.
Alright, so
Oatmeal.
I got the oatmeal prepared for the girls. Kristen is surprisingly still asleep. So we're going to eat breakfast, get dressed, and then we're going to holler at you guys after we get dressed. But I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know how last night went and what was going on today. But we're still crusty this morning and we got to get ourselves together. So we'll holler back once we get ourselves together. Alright, hey guys, so we are dressed and we are waiting in the lobby. You see everybody over there for the shuttle to go to the park. So we are on our way. I keep on messing up the light. There goes some good light. Woo, there's some good light. So we are on our way to the park. We're in the lobby waiting. You hear everybody, they're getting their little cute pictures in, everything. And like, I'm super excited. So we're gonna talk to you guys when we get to the park. The resort has a shuttle that takes us back and forth to the park. So we're just waiting on the shuttle. And we're about to go to the park for the first time. And everybody looks so cute. Let me show you everybody. Alright, so the shirts turned out so cute. You see everybody got their shirts. Everybody looking all cute. Look at Kristen with her little mask on that she won't leave on. But so stinking cute.
Hi!
And there's Kyler and Granny and Daddy and Kaylin and TT, Aiden and Maya.
And Kyler.
And there's Kyler. Alright guys, so we're going to talk to you guys. Wait, let's get some good light. There you go. So we're going to talk to you guys when we get to the park.
And we're going to have so much fun. And when we get back here into our hotel, we're going to get in the pool.
Yeah, we're going to get in the pool tonight because the pool closed at 11. So we're going to try to vlog at the pool tonight. So we're going to talk to you guys once we get to the park. Peace.
Audio Jungle.
are here. We are here. Took us a little while to get here, but we are here. So let's have some fun. All right, keep going, guys. All right, it is like extremely hot out here. It's burning up. We was able to get the stroller and everything. That was good. We're trying to figure out which way we're gonna go first, right or left. We don't know. We're trying to figure this out. But this is everybody's first time being at Disney. And it is beautiful. I'm like super excited. So I'm gonna vlog throughout the day. Right now we just got here. So we're gonna touch you guys in a bit once we get the whole gist of everything of what's going on and what we should be doing first. But we're here. We're here.
Parade is coming. Look, we gotta
it,
get on the side.
It's 3 o'clock already?
Parade coming.
What time is it? It's 3 o'clock? I thought the parade was at 3, but I guess it's at 2, so. All right, so the parade is coming, guys.